God. So pretty. And then icebergs.
ये ग्लेशियर से मेल्ट होके गिरते हैं वो.
Oh wow. Oh, we made it. Wow.
This is so pretty.
So huge.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh my god. So as we are going to Khepan Lake and we have come to the mall road for shopping because it is important to shop all the stuff before you go for your trek and do the rationing thing. Hi Alekhya. So yes, I have these two super women. One is Mritika, the shy one, and then there is Alekhya, not the shy one. The other shy one. So we are at this camping gear shop and we are here to rent our sleeping bags, mattresses and etc stuff. So we are going to Sisu and to start our trek. We took this bus from Manali and it is going to drop us at Sisu and then from there we have to take another cab, another half an hour to reach to the starting point. We have reached Sisu and from Sisu we have to go to Rethel village. From there the trek starts. It is approximately 4-5 kilometers from roadhead and you can see the Sisu waterfall over there. This is Sisu waterfall, the famous one. So this is the last point till where this cab and car comes and from here the trek starts. You can refill your water, there is enough water and then we have to go up and this side. So yes, we are going to start it now. Today I'm not alone, I have a co-hiker who is quite shy. She is Mritika. Unfortunately Alekhya had to stop because of her migraine and so we thought that we will continue because for the next the weather is in our favor for the next 2 days and after that then it is going to start drizzling and then quite raining. So yes, we are trying to make the most out of it and let's see how exactly it is going to be. So we'll do slow and steady. Yep. Okay, let's start.
Gods are
Yes.
in our favor.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Let's start it. So we are starting around 10:36 and today we don't have to go too far. So 10:36 is fine. We have to stay before the main Nala and tomorrow early morning we'll start and push. So yes, all good currently. So that's how this valley looks like and this is Mritika. This is the starting point and there was 2 peaks. Which one? Shikhar. There are 2 peaks, Mukhar Bay and Shikhar Bay, which we can't see right now. It's cloudy a little bit. So there was one other option to hike to go to this valley and you can do a 1 day camping and then come back down. It's very easy. You can see that and there is enough water and everything. So this is the way and you can see they have put a lot of pipelines here. Sisu Lake down there and then this is the Sisu waterfall and this is Lahaul Valley. Welcome to the Lahaul Valley. So we have reached this small meadow and in case you want to acclimatize, don't want to go more than 3,300 or 400, you can stay here. It must be approximately how much? 3622 meters. So yes, and it is hardly not even a kilometer, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the shepherd hut in a pretty meadow, and there used to be one, yeah, made by stones. So basically it blocks the air. Or this is Doggo. Hello Doggo. And this is this beautiful valley, Lahore Valley. Hello Doggo. You will meet these cuties over here. So currently we have reached to this beautiful meadow. As I told you that there is a first shepherd hut here, and it is approximately a kilometer, Ritika? Yeah, approximately a kilometer from the road head. With 130 meter of as elevation gain. So yes, you can come here, stay here. There is water and everything, beautiful view, and if weather gods allow you to come here, then I would suggest you to stay here for one night in case if you want to, or you can move ahead like me and Ritika are doing. Seems like Ritika is liking this place and she doesn't want to move ahead. Ritika, do you want to stay here? She's saying yes, but we have to move ahead. So yes, we'll walk slow, nicely, gently. We'll enjoy everything. Or yeah, do you want to apply sunscreen here? Yeah, better. Yeah, we are carrying 50 shades of brown already, so I guess we should apply sunscreen. Yeah, we're going to apply sunscreen. So basically there is a rule of sunscreen. So generally you can stay in the outdoors for 5 minutes without sunscreen, that's fine. But if you have plans to stay in the outdoor for the entire day, you should apply sunscreen, like say after a few hours. And how many hours, let me tell you. So 5 minutes you can stay without sunscreen. So I'm using this beautiful, amazing product. I mean, I'm not doing any kind of promotion here, but they don't even pay me. So there is this amazing sunscreen banana boat I use, and you should use it. So it is SPF 50, so you can multiply 50 with 5, which is approximately 250 minutes. So 250 minutes, which is approximately 4 hours. 4 hours I can stay in outdoors without after applying it once, and then 4 hours, after 4 hours I should apply it again. So I applied it around 6 in the morning, and it is 11, yes, 6, 7 in the morning, yeah. And I like the sunscreen. Don't put it in your eyes, rest everything is fine. ब्लेंड हो गई? And even if you are a guy, still you should apply it. A lot of guys are like, oh, we don't need sunscreen. But dude, you have a skin. Melatonin is there in your skin. अगर आप हमारा ब्लॉग देखते रहना चाहते हैं तो कृतिका के इस मग में चवन्नी या ठंडी जो भी आप डालना चाहे डाल सकते हैं. मेरा गूगल पे नंबर मैं आपको दे दूंगी, ठीक है? तो हम ऐसे पैसों की मुमाय नहीं है ना. 5 रुपए से लेके 5 लाख 50 लाख पड़े, यू वांट टू गिव अस, हम लोग उतने ट्रैक करेंगे साथ में, उतने व्लॉग्स बनाएंगे। मृतिका अपनी नौकरी छोड़ देगी, ठीक है। साइंटिस्ट है वो, अपनी नौकरी छोड़ देगी, लेकिन मत छोड़ो यार, ऐसे बोल रहे हैं है ना। तो आप हमें पैसे डोनेट कर सकते हैं, हम अच्छे अच्छे इक्विपमेंट लेंगे, अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोस बनाएंगे और आपके लिए डालते रहेंगे, ठीक है। So this is the pretty valley, and you can see that this was the way we were walking, and it is not very up from here. It's kind of gradual. So, are you tired? Nope. And we are not tired at all. So we are going to keep walking. So let's move ahead. I'll take a video. So this is Mritika, and she's saying that it is 2.8 kilometer. And what is the elevation gain? 270 meters, and we are at currently 38 or 3. We are at 3820 meters above sea level. So if you are coming here for Gapin, it's a very beautiful trek. It's not very tough. The altitude is there, and 1 or 2 sketchy points in case if you're planning to do it in the month of June. And rest, everything is fine. You'll get water, everything. Not many people do this trek, but if you're coming here, make sure you don't leave your trash, because a lot of shepherds come here, scientists do come here to check the glacier life. So yeah, make sure you don't leave your trash. I need to cross the snow patch, go over there. Mritika, it's easy, doable. So I cross that patch, that beautiful meadow, and then we have to go up and up from here, and it's easy peasy day. Okay, I can't have enough of this thing because this is so pretty. This section is so pretty. This meadow and then these peaks. Wow. Huge mountains, man. Huge. So can you see this peak? This is Shikhar Bay, and then this one is Mukhar Bay, and you can see the glacier between. Wow. Can I just stay here for forever? मेरे को यहीं रहने का है. But I know मैं फिर बोर हो जाऊंगी. Gapin second time. I can't have enough of this place. This is so damn pretty. I mean, check out this view. And it's like after some time we won't be able to see this one, but then there is going to be another view, and we'll be sold for that too. So yeah. स्वागत है खिपन लेक के इस खूबसूरत ट्रैक पे। और यहाँ पे मैं और मेरे कैमरा वुमेन मृतिका हमारे साथ है। मृतिका, हम बताना चाहते हैं मृतिका को कि मृतिका वो आप 2 पीक देख रहे हैं, ग्लेशियर देख रहे हैं, वो है अखिर पे और शिखर पे, और ये है हम लाहौल वैली। दिखाइए इनको लाहौल वैली। Can you see that waterfall? Zoom it out, it's a huge waterfall. Generally, you won't be able to see these kind of waterfall from Sisu. You have to hike. And now I'm going to show you this pretty valley. So, this is welcome to Lahaul Valley. Check out this hanging glacier. Wow, this is so pretty. I really want to cry, really. And I'm grateful and I'm blessed that I'm here. I guess, yeah, right now I just cannot ask for anything else. So this is our home tonight. We are going to stay here at this beautiful lake location, and we are going to hear the sound of this waterfall. So yeah, good job. Ritika, pitch your tent for the very first time? Kind of, yeah. Yeah, and there is a view also, like there is a water stream over there, waterfall over there, and yeah, that's our view.
Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Lost in the wonder, caught up in colors that I've never seen before. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. The highs and the lows, the places we go. Adventure is waiting, dreams for the taking. It's all right here.
Okay, so it was our day 1 and we are in Lahaul Valley. This is Mritika, this is me. We are going to stay under 5 billion stars, and by the way, this is take 3. I have like already tried take 2. So yes, let me wrap it up. So we have just had our dinner. We had veg biryani,
Which was good.
which
It
was
was
really
amazing
nice
and fulfilling.
Yes,
Yeah.
quite fulfilling. And it's 8:30. Now we are going to sleep, and then we have to wake up early because tomorrow is going to be a little long day, fun day. And yes, you can get this kind of privilege when you do a little bit of hard work, when you walk a little bit and make your lungs do the work, and
Respect the nature.
respect the nature. Then only you can stay at such locations. You can't just buy it easily. You need to do the hard work. So yes, try it once. So yeah, we are calling it a day here. It's day 1. We are signing off, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night.
Everything is beautiful.
So we had to cross this stream to come to this side. The flow is heavy. We waited for the entire night to cross the stream, and now we are crossing it. We are going up and up. This is Mritika. This is day 2, and this is our trail. Where is the trail? There is no trail. So we crossed this scary path and we have reached here. So there is a shepherd hut thanks to this amazing guy. इन्होंने वहाँ पे ब्रिज बनाया है नदी पे, थोड़ा सा पत्थर वत्थर डाल के क्रॉस करने के लिए. Hi, good morning. We are having leftover rice in our breakfast. We'll cook some fresh food in lunch, dinner, and yeah. It's little dry, but that's okay. We need carbs. So. Good morning, guys. People who say that Ghepan Lake is easy, maybe it looks easy on map because distance is not too much, elevation gain is not too much, but then there are a few sketchy points where you have to be very careful. One, then there is a stream crossing. Then the other one, when you come up from stream, you will see two paths. Just choose the steeper one because the other one there is no as such trail, and instead of walking in anxieties, you can walk straight up a little bit and then come down. That's okay. So yeah, but be very careful when you cross these streams and come here with a guide. Yeah, we're climbing up and check out this beautiful valley. Amazing. And then there is this waterfall or a beautiful campsite over there. And then we have to go up to meet them. Say hello. तुम में और मुझ में भेड़ू कौन है? अच्छा, I know. तुम ज्यादा क्यूट हो या मैं? अच्छा. So she has come to see me. Hello. Photo lena. So there is these poles. She's trying to look it. Hello. So the peaks which we were seeing yesterday, Mukarbe and Shikarbe, and then there is this beautiful goat. Hello goatie. Hello. Hello man. So the sheep is following Mritika, and then there is another one. Hello. And then face of a goat. लाइफ में बस ऐसी पेस हो जाए फिर तो सारी ट्रेल रेसेस भाई. नहीं, ट्रेल रेसेस के लिए बस हमें भी कोई ऐसे हट हट करे और हम भी ऐसे भागते हुए जाए. बस हमें कोई हट हट करने वाला नहीं मिल रहा. इसलिए हमारी पेस रुकी हुई है जिंदगी की. Can you see this trail? We have to walk on it. So basically there is no trail. So we have to go close to that glacier. Wow. So we are at approximately 4,000 meters above sea level and not very far from the lake. We'll be there around lunchtime. So yeah, there is someone who's coming down from there. So wow, there is this beautiful gorge here. We don't need to go down, we have to go up, and yeah, doable. So this is the stream from where you can refill your water bottle. We are about to reach our campsite, and this is fresh glacial water. And this is Mritika try to refill her water bottle. It gets one slip and nothing is going to happen. You will stop. Might get injured, but yeah, unless if you fall in this gorge. As I said, elevation gain is not that much, and distance is also not that much. Elevation gain is 800 to 1000 meters, and distance is 10 to 12 kilometers. I have done this trail. I have done this trek earlier in 2 days, and now I'm going to do it 3 days because this lake deserves it. And this place has such beautiful campsites that you will feel like stopping here, staying here, and just relaxing here. So yes, we are doing it in 2 nights, 3 days, and I'm really happy about it. So there is no trail, you can see. So this is Mritika. You can see her coming, and what a pretty view. And you have to go a little bit more. Almost there. Wow. I mean, no matter how much stress one has, when you come to such places and do these kind of things, then I guess you come out of your head and focus on trails, because life is important more than your stress. Woohoo! I just can't have enough of this, man. This is so pretty. So pretty. And I'm doing it for the second time. So can you see this water? This is coming from Gepan Lake. Yoo-hoo! So clean, so nice. And we are close to the first shepherd hut, and then uske baad next one. And there we are going to stay. Lake is 1 kilometer ahead from that shepherd hut. So yes, we are not very far, I guess. Yeah. Hello, is there anybody? I guess no one. And we have reached second last campsite. Woohoo! So I have reached this second last campsite, and it's a beautiful trek. I'm enjoying it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to stay here. We have to move ahead, but we'll take a long break here. Good job, Mritika! So, if you have no plans to go ahead, this is the second last shepherd hut. You can camp there. You need to clean a little bit, but then you can definitely camp there. What a beautiful view. This is the water which is coming from Gepan Lake. Check out the flow, man. Wow. Now be ready what I'm going to show you. That's why I do these kind of things. This one is like we were walking in front of it, and now woo! So pretty. Welcome to Gepan Lake. We are very close to it, and check out this beautiful valley. that the flow of this water is too much. The glacier is melting so fast that it is over crossing the bridge and it is coming down from here. Going down to the there. So just after this bridge, there is a lake. You need to cross this bridge. Okay, be ready for it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Kepan Lake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. I can't believe that I'm here again. And the happiness is still the same. Wow.
So beautiful.
Wow. So pretty. I'm gonna cry. I seriously can't have enough of this lake, man. This is so pretty. So pretty. Why are you so pretty? So as I already told you that this is probably the largest lake of Himachal Pradesh. Wow. And you can see glaciers melting in this lake. So it is all glacial water. So that's how I summited Kepan Lake again. Ah, that was a beautiful experience. Doing it again because this lake deserves it. And I promised it back in
23.
I promised it back in 2023 Kepan Lake that I am going to do it again, and yes, here I am summiting it again. Woohoo! So Kepan Lake is after the name of Raja Kepan. They used to say that he was a warrior, and people do pray Kepan Lake. It's a holy place for Lahaul people. They do come here and they do pray to this lake, and of course we should, because it's nature, and that's why you feel that very close to nature and you don't feel like destroying them. So Mritika and I summited Kepan Lake successfully, and we sat here for
2 hours. More than 2 hours.
more than 2 hours. More than 2 hours, approximately 3 hours. And we had lunch here, we had coffee here, and it was a fun,
conversation.
lot of conversation and fun trek it was, right? Right?
Yeah.
I'm a fun company.
Yeah, you are. Definitely.
Tell them that I'm not paying you any money for this thing.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
She's not. I came here only for the company.
See? No, we had a lot of fun, and now it's time to go back.
And you can trust her to keep you safe.
Yeah, thank you so much. So day 2 almost over here. Day 3 we'll go back directly from our campsite to Sisu. Yeah, that's our plan.
Yeah.
So yes, Kepan Lake once again. Wow. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. See you in the next one super soon. Please don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe with your friends. And yes, in case if you need any kind of detail related to Kepan Lake, don't forget to text me on Instagram.
I can see you walking down the street with the sundress on and the city at your feet. I want, I need.
with the base, and now we are going back to Manali. So yes, we have touched Sisu, all safe and sound. Yeah, no injuries.